This past year was punctuated by a collective experience of compounding grief and uncertainty. Hardships were magnified for vulnerable communities due to systemic racism, poverty, and long-standing inequities. But there were also moments of great resilience, moments of forward movement towards hope and a better future for all of us. Our community found ways to collaborate and respond in unprecedented ways to an unprecedented crisis. We partnered with local government and regional funders to create COVID-19 support funds that were used to help children learn from home and meet an increased demand for food, supplies, telehealth services, and PPE, and to help our local nonprofit partners pivot to meet the moment. Thanks to an outpouring of support, more than $2.3 million in rapid relief grants helped those hit hardest by the pandemic. We foresee a thriving community with opportunity for everyone, but we know that this vision cannot be realized until we've eradicated systemic bias from our schools and our workplaces, our homes and our hearts. In June 2020, we launched our Black Equity and Excellence Fund with an initial investment of $1 million to advance equitable solutions and opportunities for and by the local Black community.
We all want Central New York to be a region where everyone is ensured a chance to meet their fullest potential. This means striving for a society where all groups have the ability to participate and prosper. Yet many inequities still exist. 31% of Black children live in poverty versus 10% of white children. And Black people experience poorer health outcomes than white people in 24 out of 29 measures. This is not accidental. It is the result of decades of public and private policies that have led to vastly different opportunities and life outcomes based on one's race. By supporting Black-led organizations, we help build the political, economic, and social power that is required to create lasting social change for the Black community. Over its first 6 months, the Black Equity and Excellence Fund distributed $554,000 in grants to community-based programs that promote and encourage self-sufficiency and improve the physical and economic conditions that affect quality of life for local residents.
Everyone counts, and that's why we supported efforts to ensure that all Central New York residents will be counted in the 2020 census, which impacts the allocation of government funding, congressional representation, and private sector investments flowing throughout our region.
It's estimated that for every one person not counted, communities lose $1,000 in funding per year toward hospitals, schools, transportation, parks, and nonprofit organizations. As an institution that relies heavily on census data to make key funding decisions of our own, a full and accurate count from the 2020 census was one of the Community Foundation's most pressing concerns. We participated in statewide advocacy and distributed grants to provide access and encourage residents to complete the census. Nearly $300,000 in grants were provided to reach hard-to-count populations due to distrust, language barriers, and the digital divide.
We need to only look within ourselves and our shared community to see the true power of resilience. Resilience is the ability to stand back up after being knocked down, to take a stand against injustice, and to band together when it is too difficult to walk the path alone. Thank you for standing strong with us this past year and in the days and years ahead.